Kids and faculty should thrive in the school environment, both educationally and physically. And thanks to a new innovative healthcare solution, they are. Meet Shannon Peterson. Shannon has spent the last 35 years of her life pursuing her passion as a teacher and administrator of early childhood education.
I've always had a love of children and families, but towards the end of my career, I found a new passion for high-quality relational education and care in early childhood settings, which sometimes you don't see. The Early Learning Coalition of Santa Rosa County is one of 30 coalitions in the state of Florida. Our main goal is to provide high-quality education for the children in our county. One of the ways that we do that is by providing subsidized childcare for low-income working families and children at risk. In addition to that, we hold the contracts for our voluntary pre-kindergarten programs, which is free pre-K for all 4-year-olds in the state of Florida. Additionally, we offer support to our child care providers through professional development, coaching, and training. We do developmental screenings with our children, child observations, classroom assessments, all in the hopes of providing quality child care to our county and our community.
The Early Learning Coalition is all about creating a safe and healthy space for children to thrive in, which is why they're meeting with Fletcher Williams from Innovative Health Solutions. Together with IHS, they're looking to integrate Serazone, a new groundbreaking indoor air quality solution, into their offices and throughout their early learning facilities.
Thank you so much for meeting with me today. Very excited to talk to you about our different solutions in indoor air quality. A little backstory on our company. Innovative Healthcare Solutions was started in 2016, and we found a love for ELCs and child care providers. We realized the need for sanitization and indoor air quality in those sectors, so we focused on doing the research and finding proven products to bring to you guys.
Sounds good.
Talking about indoor air quality, it's the new conversation after 2020. We have to worry about what's in the air, and we have to be proactive in the mitigation of viruses and bacteria, things that can increase teacher call-outs. I know that's a big thing you guys are facing, and trying to get teachers in, we don't want them to be hired and then have to call out on that first year.
Absolutely. And we're not only focused on helping to provide high quality education, we really want to focus on safety and health.
You know, that's one of the big things, that you guys do great work, but we can't help the children if they're not in the classroom. So having to call out from viruses and illnesses, things that really spike in those classroom settings, is what we're actually really proud to offer our new product called the Serazone. This is going to be an air purifying product that uses ozone gas. So to tell you a little bit about ozone gas, because not a lot of people know about it.
Ozone gas is going to be 3 oxygen atoms. Now it's called Earth's natural sanitizer because that 3rd oxygen atom does a great job of killing 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, and odors.
It's going to introduce the air into the unit, mix it with ozone gas, and the revolutionary thing is once it pushes it back out, it converts it all back into oxygen in 1.2 seconds.
Wow. Fletcher, let me ask you, so we're talking about air purification. What would be the difference between a typical HVAC system that had an air purifier attached to it versus the Serazone? Why would I make the Serazone choice instead of just adding an air purification system to our existing HVAC?
Right, there's so many products out there, especially after COVID, anybody who made anything is now making air purifiers. So what makes us different? One of the big things we found is continual air purification. So when we're talking about things that are offered, we want to make sure they're effective. So with the Serazone, comparing to the HVAC, HVACs, with being one of the most expensive things in your building, aren't made to continually pull through very thick filters. And when we're talking about things such as COVID or norovirus, which is the flu, we're talking about tiny particulate that love to make it ride through a filter. You're also only running about 30 minutes, an hour, if that, to cool the building. So we're pushing air, even though it might be purified, into the room, and then we're just leaving it, right? Compared to our products, that's gonna be continually purifying.
24 hours a day?
24 hours a day. One of the big things I like to say is if I sold you a product that consumed an unbelievable amount of energy, I'd be selling you a bad product. That's why we're very proud of the invention that they've made, because it doesn't drive up energy costs and you're affecting the indoor air quality present with all those children.
Fletcher, I think that sounds amazing. Not only do I see the benefit of having it here in our office to combat germs and sickness, to help our own staff be here on a regular basis and breathing healthy air, what I really see the benefit could be for our childcare providers in their centers, in their environment, helping to provide safety and health for those children.
Absolutely. I'm so excited to continue talking to you about it today, and I'm very happy that you guys are taking this proactive step in indoor air quality and that we can partner with you in this adventure.
All right, let's go.
Are you looking to create a safer and healthier environment where you can live, learn, work, and play? Visit ihcsolutionsUSA.com to shop from a variety of products.